Hey guys, I hope you can see me properly because I'm vlogging from my phone, because everything happening here in this vlog is going to be in the wild. So I'm not going to be using my camera. Your girl is about to take a trip. It's my birthday, so you know the vibes already. So yeah, comment down below and let me know where you think I'm going. But yeah, today's vlog is going to be a combination of different things. So first things first, we need to get our yellow fever vaccine. That's where we're headed today. The cheapest one we found in Harare is where I'm going now. It's $40. So it's $10 less than Gun Hill Medical Center, which was the most recommended. But anyway, so yeah, it's Dr. Harcombe's, if I'm not mistaken. It's in Highlands, 31 Rhodesville Avenue. So yeah, that is where we are headed. It is the butt crack of dawn, guys. It is so early to be leaving the house. Like, I don't mind being awake at this time in summer because I'm usually awake anyway. But like, to be ready to leave the house at this time, like, yeah, you can only imagine what time I woke up. So they open at 8. I'm leaving the house at 7:30, which is in 11 minutes. What else? Yeah, so that's where we're gonna start. We're gonna go get our yellow fever vaccine, and then we also need to sort out my hair because Shein, guys, I'm so mad at Shein, guys. Like, I don't know what's happening with their logistics right now, but like, my order still has not been shipped out, and that's where my clip-ins are. I wanted to do curly clip-ins. Some of my outfits are in there. I'm just so mad because I made this order a month ago. 1 month ago. So I don't know if it's Emile. I don't know if it's Shein. All I know is that I'm pissed off. And obviously I'm going to order from there again. But right now I got some. So yeah. But anyway, so now I have to make a plan. I'm thinking of doing micro passion twists. But at the same time, I'm just like, do I have time for braids? But at the same time, all of these like synthetic curly weaves, like, I'm so scared they're not going to like last long, especially because there's going to be a lot of swimming that's happening on this trip. I don't want to put myself in a position where my hair looks so ugly. And then like, yeah, because like we're leaving on the 15th. We're back on the 21st. Because yeah, basically we're going to be there for a week, right? And then after that, it's Christmas. So like I need to at least have a hair that's going to get me through the festive season. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I'm thinking of doing passion twists, like the small ones. But panebas. So I don't know. We will see. But anyway, we also need to get my nails done. And we need to pack. We need to figure out what I'm going to wear since some of my outfits have not arrived. But anyway, guys, that is the content of today's vlog. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's go get me jabbed, sana. Yo, I'm not a fan. Hey guys. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to another tarikaremba vlog. Today is our travel vlog. We're off to Zanzibar. Ah, God is so good. We're off to Zanzibar. Birthday week starts tomorrow. Your girl's turning 29. How good is God for allowing me to see 29 years on this earth? Like, that's amazing. And I feel like the older I get, the less I understand people who like will be like, oh my gosh, I'm getting older. Because for me, it's like, oh my gosh, I've got another year. Thank you, Lord. So yeah, no, I am so excited. So we made it out the group chat. So I'm traveling with Patricia, her 2 sisters. Oh yeah, so it's me, right? So it's me, Patricia, her 2 sisters, and then their friend Angel. So it's going to be the 5 of us. And yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Yesterday I was supposed to pack, but then I got launched, right? So I finished work at 2, and then like I was just chilling for a bit. Like my aunt and I had lunch and we were chilling, watching TV, and then Tatenda came and he's like, let's just have 1 or 2 drinks. It was obviously more than 1 or 2, but yeah, I mean I was actually home by like just after 9, which wasn't bad, but I was tired. So I was like, you know what, since I have a checklist, so here is our checklist, guys. So I was like, since I have a checklist, right, I'm not too stressed. I can do this tomorrow because I just need to put everything on the checklist in the bag. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do now. Just got back from church. Went to the 7:30 mass. If you know me, you know I prefer the 10 a.m. mass because A, it's the Shana mass, and B, I'm not trying to wake up at the crack of dawn 7 days a week. Like, I can't. So yeah, we normally actually go for the 10 o'clock, but for today, we came early. Flights at 13:40. Gotta be there by 11:40, which I think means we should be leaving this place by like 10:30, 11 o'clock, latest. Good thing is it's a Sunday, the 15th of December, so there's not much traffic on the road. Anyway, guys, let us pack. I want to pack and then I want to take a shower, and that's it. So yeah, guys, my hair was a disaster. I wanted passion twist, but then she used the passion. So look, the ends are passion twisting, but then she twisted the hair like normal twist using passion twist hair. So it was like flat. So then we ended up crocheting some curly bits in, and that gave it a bit of volume. So like I feel better about the hair now. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's go to Zanzibar.
This one I got you with the jabata. Me, I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that.
Hey guys, so I ended up packing in like 15-20 minutes because of the checklist. Shout out to the checklist because I died in my one. But we are leaving home now. I will catch you in the road / at the airport / yeah. And yo guys, it's so hot. I didn't even do edges today because they're just gonna sweat off. Like, it's not good. Harare is hot. Anyway, catch you in the next frame.
Biggie man, we don't be where I buy that. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the whip, on the feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the whip, on the feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do them.
Hey guys, so we are now in Lilongwe. We were just in and out. Now we're heading to, I don't know, because this flight has people going to Blantyre, so I'm guessing that's the first stop, and then we have Dar es Salaam and Nairobi. So I'm not sure how that's going to work yet. I'm sure the pilot's going to announce it closer to the time. But it's basically the same plane we were on. I'm back in the same seat. Yeah. I'll catch you soon. Also, shout out to my skin. Period.
So anything I do, I try to take my way. Plenty survive with face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn. You tell me, what's it go? You are go, all depend.
Hey guys, how are you? So we were delayed in Blantyre for 2 hours. So this is the time we're arriving. It's 5 minutes to midnight. We're at the Airbnb now, but also it's so hot and dark, guys. Do you see the sweat? It is 28 degrees and it's almost midnight. It is humid AF. I don't know if I'm gonna be giving you makeup on this trip because it's ridiculous. But yeah, we're trying to figure out the AC situation now. But like, essentially we need to be up in 4 hours because We need to be at the airport 2 hours before our flight. Our flight is at 7 to the island. So a lot is going on. But God is good. God is great. Yeah. I actually need to know about the Wi-Fi now so I can tell my family we're here. But yeah, guys, catch you soon.
Ride the whip, I no fit die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all depending. They got it. Ride the whip, I no fit. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shout out Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are good, all depend. They can say, right, good, I know fit, die for nothing. What's it come? You are good, all depend. They can say, right, good, I know fit.
Guys, we're at the Airbnb now in Dar es Salaam, and shout out to them for letting us in this late because we were delayed for 2 hours. But I'm not gonna drinking water, mufungi. So yeah, but the good thing is like we're leaving this place in 4 hours. We will survive. The aircon was so hot when we got in here, guys. Like Dar es Salaam is hot and humid. It's actually ridiculous. How's it gonna be 28 degrees at 11 p.m.? Like it was almost midnight food. But anyway, so at least the aircon is working. So yeah, I have decided. So yeah, you guys saw like it's got 3 bedrooms. But yeah, I decided to sleep on the couch right underneath the aircon because ninga shoni, guys. I also can't sleep when I'm too hot. So like even at home, I sleep with the fan on next to me. That's how bad it is. So yeah, but this heat is giving me stress. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna text for a bit. I'm so used to sleeping after midnight back home, but like it's after midnight here. So I don't know what Jafamba say. Tomorrow I'm gonna be tired AF. That's all I know. But yeah, that's about it. Let me catch some Z's and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night.
4 hours later.
Hey guys. It's 4 minutes past 4 in the morning. And I need to take a shower. Patricia needs to take a shower too. Morning. So yeah, we're gonna shower right now. And even though I slept, like, did you sleep? Like, do you feel like you slept? Damn, I feel like for me, right, because it was just 3 hours, I kept pepuka on some, like, you know, like when you're worried you're gonna miss your flight. So yeah, but I'm okay though. So guys, let's go shower. Our cab guy is gonna be here in 40 minutes exactly. So quick, fast, in a hurry, shower, and yeah, let's go shower. Hey guys. Okay. So my makeup is done. My blush looks crazy. So I only carried one palette, the Jackie Mkido palette. I forgot how pigmented it was, and then I put so much. So I think I'm gonna try tone it down later, or I'm just gonna live life. We'll just see how life goes. But yeah, I'll have to tone it down later because our cab guy is here. We're going to the airport, to the Salam. Y'all know that TikTok?
To the salon!
Anyway, masambe guys. Hey guys, so we just went through a debacle, but also it's 5 a.m. and my face is melting, so I think I'm actually just gonna take off my makeup when we get to Zanzibar, or I don't know, I'll try fix it. But I'm also like, why am I fighting? But I know that my photos will look nicer if I have makeup on, so I don't know. My blush is also doing way too much, so I don't know. Not only do I need to fix my makeup, so that's why I'm like, maybe I should just remove it. I don't know. or just put foundation or something. But anyway, so this is what happened to us. Okay, so first of all, we were supposed to fly out on Precision Air, but then like 2 days ago, 2 days ago, they sent us an email saying that our flight had been moved to like 4 p.m. But the way our itinerary is set up, we need to get there this morning, otherwise like all the activities we planned to do, like it's not happening, right? So then we booked on a different airline, and then so with them they had one checked bag. We had 20 kg, but they didn't have thank you, some water, but they didn't have a carry-on bag. So now they wanted to charge us $3.50 per kg, and everyone had a carry-on. So then we had to move things around because the checked bags were not 20 kgs. So we ended up only paying for 5 kgs because critical thinking. But yeah, no guys. Yeah, so we would have paid 90. We ended up paying 17.5. Guys. Yeah, anyway, shout out to the girls for critical thinking. Yeah, je ne want to have my degree for sure. Amy. So yeah, guys. So now boarding is at 20 past. Right now should probably be like, I mean, it's at half past. It's probably 20 past now. But then I think we're going via Arusha, or we're going to Zanzibar first, then Arusha. I don't know, but it looks like one of those flights. Anyway, let's go. Guys, so now we're off to Zanzibar at last. This was actually the shortest flight ever. I think it was 20 minutes long, and yeah, a very scenic route, as you can see. So yeah, once we landed, we drove to our first accommodation in Stone Town called Shaba Boutique Hotel. And yeah, guys, this is where the first segment of the vlog ends. I didn't want to end up with a 3-hour vlog, so I've broken it down into 4 videos. So this is just the beginning part of the video. Tune in same time next week for part 2, where all the activity and fun begins. See you then. Love you. Bye. Tari.